Hi, my name is Steevan Loyd. I'm working as a Junior Research Fellow in Center for System Design, NITK. CSD is an interdisciplinary center aims at providing the environment for all the key components of system design, like system modeling and simulation, understanding system dynamics, optimization, virtual and physical experiments. I started working on additive manufacturing and virtual lab development as soon as I joined CSD in August 2020. In the meantime, I joined the electric mobility team, where we launched the VidhYug 2.0, in-house developed electric scooter that was created specially for the staffs of RE office. Conceptualization, design, analysis and fabrication were my main areas of focus, using SolidWorks, analysis, MATLAB and 3D printing. I worked on the development of NITK's first solar charging station known as URJA, as well as electric trike, e-bikes for NITK security guards and Karnataka Forest Department officials. This is my last working day as I am starting my new journey as a FEA Engineer in Dheya Engineering Technology, Bangalore. I want to express my gratitude to the project invigilators and my guides for helping me in every way they could throughout my term. I want to express my gratitude to every member of CSD with whom I have worked so far.